San Francisco, the city by the bay, is the perfect blend of ocean and hills, famous landmarks, and vibrant neighborhoods. Although it's smaller than New York or Los Angeles, it has a special charm and character. It's a city that's rooted in history, and yet, at the same time, committed to innovation, especially when it comes to technology. San Francisco was founded in 1776. It then saw rapid growth during the California Gold Rush. In the 20th century, it experienced the terrible earthquake and fire of 1906, and in the 1960s became the birthplace of hippie counterculture. Since then, it has continued to attract artists, free thinkers, and intellectuals. In recent years, San Francisco has become a popular tourist destination and an important center for software development. Tech giants Google, Apple, and Facebook have their headquarters just a short drive away, and their presence contributes to the entrepreneurial atmosphere of the region and the growing startup culture. Downtown San Francisco is surprisingly compact, so it's easy to explore on foot. However, even if you love walking, you should definitely experience the legendary San Francisco cable cars. A ride on a cable car is a great way to admire the city's various architectural styles, which range from old Victorian houses to modern skyscrapers. Although some locals still use the cable cars for transportation, most of the passengers today are tourists. Not far from downtown is Fisherman's Wharf, a popular waterfront district known for its seafood, street performers, and lively atmosphere. Both tourists and locals come here to enjoy fresh clam chowder served in bread bowls and to see the bay and the sea lions sunbathing on the docks. When you look out at the bay, you can't fail to notice another of the city's most visited attractions, Alcatraz Island. It was once the site of a maximum security prison for the most notorious criminals in the country. The prison closed in 1963 and reopened to the public as a museum about a decade later. The northern tip of the San Francisco Peninsula is another magnet for tourists. Why? It's home to what one travel guide has described as possibly the most beautiful, certainly the most photographed, bridge in the world. The Golden Gate Bridge spans the entrance to the bay. Amazing from both an engineering and artistic standpoint, it fully deserves its status as the symbol of the city. There is so much to see and do in San Francisco that I haven't even mentioned yet. From Chinatown to the Mission District and the twists and turns of Lombard Street, the city is full of unique and unforgettable sights. Everyone should visit San Francisco at least once in their lives. And if you can, why not make your visit part of a longer road trip exploring the breathtaking Pacific coastline?